curse of the birds. I'm over here. Look at all these birds. There's millions of them. Thousands of them. They always hang right over the courthouse. There's millions of them. They come from everywhere, dropping poop and poison. And they always fly right over that courthouse. That's a terrible, terrible thing. There'd be hundreds of thousands of them. And dropping a little poop. And they always head for that deadly courthouse. Look at all of them. Dropping that poop, that poison will eat you up. That's the curse of the birds right over here. This courthouse. The girl was robbed right across the street from the John Marshall Court building on that corner. She was a vendor. The guy put a gun up to the girl's head and robbed her. There's been people beat out here. One guy was on the phone, I think he was a cross-dresser, and the guy walked up to him and knocked him out and took his phone. Look at these people, listen, so loud and rude and crude. Look at these birds, look. And some nasty things. That's the curse of the courthouse. They should pick that sucker up and carry it away. That'd be a good thing. Look at all the millions, hundreds, thousands of birds. Look like a darn million, look. They come from everywhere.
Trying to catch.
Hey, John.